This video is to use affirmations with EFT, Emotional Freedom Technique, which is also called tapping. And what we're going to do is we're going to go through the tapping points using parts of the affirmation that you will have been given during hypnosis. And this is a really nice way to reaffirm to yourself that this is what you already know, this is what your subconscious has already taken on as true, and you're just reaffirming it. And by tapping, you're actually allowing your limbic system and your nervous system to relax. So it's really good for any time that you're feeling slightly stressed, slightly uncomfortable, because you'll be moving into a nervous system that is not relaxed. And this will get you straight back in to a relaxed place. Now, just very briefly, I'm going to show you the tapping points in case you are not familiar with them. But you tap the top of your head, so the crown. We do about 6 or 7, but it really doesn't matter. And do it firmly, but don't do it hard. So I kind of think of it as noticing a slight bounce on the space, but only slight. Then we come down to the inside of the eye, and you can do both sides at the same time. You're tapping on the inside edge of the eyebrow. Then the outside of the eye, doesn't matter which side, again, can be one side or the other or both. Then under the eye, staying on the bone, tapping there. Harder when you've got glasses. Under the nose, coming down to the chin, coming down to the clavicle, so that's where you've got your knobbly bits, right here, and then you come down a bit and you're tapping there, okay? And that actually is a really good point if you're just feeling a bit stressed anyway. Under the arms, so for ladies it's in line with your bra strap, but also in line with the armpit, okay? Inside of the wrist, using your whole hand, there's lots of meridians here. And the meridians are a great way to discharge the energy from your body. And these are the areas that acupuncturists would use to clear the energy, clear the blockages from your body. Then we come onto the thumb and then the fingers, all in line with the nail bed. So we're tapping there. And just keep tapping through all of the points. I'm hoping you can see well. So these are the tapping points. Now we're going to use a sample affirmation. So what I have here is one that says, I feel safe, easy and comfortable in my body, happy with who I am and loving myself completely. So as you can see, it's actually just a really nice affirmation in general. It doesn't have to be specific, but you have your affirmations and I suggest that you use yours, okay? But this is just a practice run. I'm going to say the affirmation and give you a short space so you can repeat it to get an idea of how it feels as you're tapping through. Okay, so I'm going to break this into parts. And the first part is, I feel safe, easy and comfortable in my body. And you just repeat that in that gap. Inside of the eye, happy with who I am. Outside of the eye, loving myself completely. So already in 3 marks or in 3 points, we've used the whole affirmation. So what we'll do is repeat the affirmation through the whole set so that when you do the next round of tapping, you can use another of your affirmations, because most of you will have 5, sometimes 6, but you should have at least 5 affirmations to tap through. So we're going to do that again. So we've done the 3 points there. We're going to come under the eye. I feel safe, easy and comfortable in my body. Under the nose, happy with who I am. And coming down to the chin, and loving myself completely. And we come down to the clavicle, repeating again. I feel safe, easy and comfortable in my body. Under the arm, happy with who I am. Inside of the wrist, and loving myself completely. And again, starting from the top of the affirmation, coming onto the thumb, I feel safe, easy and comfortable in my body. Coming onto the finger, happy with who I am. Next finger, loving myself completely. Now, because we only have 2 more fingers left, so it's not enough to do a whole round of that one particular affirmation, I'm just going to repeat the last line again because it's a really nice, kind, loving sentence, loving myself completely. So we're just going to say that on the last 2 fingers. So, loving myself completely. And the last finger, loving myself completely. And I find it useful when you're tapping with the affirmations to make your energy levels in the words high. So it's a bit more highly vibrational, it's more energized, it's more comfortable, it lifts you up, it makes you feel really good. So once you've done that full round, you then move on to the next affirmation, and I just trust you to learn how to do that. But now that you've seen how easy it is to break down your affirmations and use as tapping so that you get the system relaxed, you get your limbic system relaxed, your nervous system relaxed, you feel peaceful and calm, so then it's easy to remember what it is that we did in the hypnosis sessions. Hope you found that really helpful, and let me know how you get on. I'm always happy to hear from people. Take care.